Welcome to the cutting edge world of 3D bioprinting, where science fiction meets reality. Imagine print complex, living tissues right from a computer blueprint. Today, we are diving into this revolutionary technology that's shaping the future of medicine. At its core, 3D bioprinting is a process that uses bioink composed of living cells and biocompatible material to build tissues layers by layers, just like a traditional 3D printer. But instead of plastic or metal, we are working with cells and growth factors. The journey starts with a digital model of the tissues or organ we want to create. This model is then used to guide the printer, which deposits bioink with incredible precise. Over time, these layers combine to form complex structures that mimic natural tissues. These applications of 3D bioprinting are vast, from creating custom implant and prosthetic to potentially printing entire organ from for transplantation. This technology holds the promise of transforming patient care and surgical procedure. Imagine a future where damaged organ can be replaced with tailor-made functional tissues created just for you. 3D bioprinting is making that future a reality, one layer at a time. As researchers continue to push the boundaries of what possible, 3D bioprinting will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in advancing healthcare. The future of medicine is being printed today.